What's up, YouTube? We're in the cord right now. I'm about to start her up real quick. So before we get into this video, before we go talk about whatever the title is, let's go start the car real quick. See how this sounds. Now that we have that done, I'm gonna flip the car around real quick and then we start talking. Alright, so I got the car set up, the cord set up, got my chair, I got the stuff that I need to basically explain to you guys how to make this work on your cord. By this, I mean the flywheel, the Clutchmasters lightweight flywheel, the FX3 Clutchmasters FX350 clutch and all that. Like, I don't know if you, with the stock flywheel from the cord, if you just leave the stock flywheel and you put the FX350 clutch from Clutchmasters, it will work. But for me, my experience, this is probably going to happen to most people when they try to upgrade their clutch. If you go with Clutchmasters, just from my experience. So right now, this is just basically on my experience, what I went through. So and somebody else that went through something different and they had a different experience and didn't have these issues, but this is what I had to go through. So this is just basically a heads up for all you guys. If you want to do this, just be prepared. So, and yeah, have the money, because you're gonna have to spend extra money. The first thing I want to start off with is basically I'm gonna show you guys the stock clutch real quick. So this is the stock clutch disc. Show you guys real close up. And this is the stock flywheel on the cord. It's heavy. You guys can see. So yeah, it's heavy. That being said, I just wanted to show you that because I got the lightweight flywheel on the car right now, and I got the FX350 clutch. So if you install that into your car, you're gonna need a custom CMC. Custom CMC. What is the CMC? CMC is a Clutchmaster cylinder. That's basically this. This is the stock one. I'll show you guys real quick close up. This is what the stock one looks like. So what the issue with the stock one is that you see this rod right here, it's too short. So basically the pedal needs to be adjusted. When you adjust it, you need to adjust it out. So you see this nut right here, you have to keep twisting it off. But the length of the rod is not long enough for you to press the clutch pedal in and to put it into gear, first gear, second gear, all that. So because of this, your car won't go into gear unless you have a custom CMC. And the way you could get a custom CMC is by this guy. I think it's K20Z3 something old motor. I'm gonna leave his Instagram right here. You can hit him up. You know, his website. He sells these custom CMCs. They have the rod longer. They're actually for a 10th gen Civic Si. They're not for the Accord. They don't sell it for the Accord. So if you have a 2018 or basically a 10th gen Accord, and you ask him, oh, I need a custom CMC for my 10th gen Accord, he's not gonna sell it to you. He's not gonna offer it to you because he doesn't make them. He only makes them for the 10th gen SIs. So that's what I did. I got a 10th gen SI custom CMC in my car. So make sure when you ask him, you be like, yo, I need a 10th gen SI custom CMC. And hold it right there. That's not the only thing. Not only that is modified when he sends it to you, you also have to modify it again yourself. Because remember, that's for the SI. So to make it fit for the Accord, you're gonna have to cut the rod a little bit from the custom CMC, just a little bit. All right, it needs to be longer than this, but the way that it comes with is too long to fit on the Accord pedal. So make sure you basically cut it enough and don't cut it too much, because then you're gonna have issues going into gear still. So basically I cut it enough. I'm gonna show you guys now how I have it. It actually, the clutch pedal is so high up that there's no stop. That's the only way for me to go into gear. So basically, yeah, if you know that clutch stop that has like a point, like a rubber point, that when you let go of the clutch it just hits that rubber. Yeah, it's basically all the way up there. That's how high the pedal is now, but it works. That's the only thing I care about. So yeah, so make sure you get this custom CNC. This is the must-have. You must have this if you want to do this to the Accord, from my experience. I don't know if you keep the stock flywheel, you may not have to do it. Maybe you just adjust the stock CMC and it'll work for you, but it didn't work for me. I tried it didn't work, so I got the custom CNC and it worked. The reason I'm telling you that also to get this custom CNC is because my speed sensor broke due to not having a custom CNC. I was trying to put it into gear, and then at one point I forced it into gear, and boom, the speed sensor snapped inside the trans, and yeah, now we have a broken trans over there, the Accord trans. This car doesn't have a stock Accord trans, it has an SI trans right now, so it has a 10th gen Civic SI trans, which is better. It has LSD. The shift points are quicker, it accelerates faster. So I mean, I'm not complaining. I'm just saying, if you don't want to go through a trans and waste $1,700, save yourself the money. Get this. I think it's like 300 bucks, I think. So yeah, just hit him up. I'm gonna have his link in the description as well. Well, his Instagram in the description, and you can hit him up and get that. So that being said, let's go talk inside the car. Alright, so basically I'm showing you guys, before we go inside the car, and show you guys the CMC from the inside of how you adjust the pedal to make it work. Just show you guys, this is the SI trans. That's the SI trans. The Accord trans is over here. Show you guys. I don't know, you guys might be new to the channel, you might not know, but my Accord trans. It's my Accord trans. Yeah, basically the speed sensor, I'm sure it goes right here. There's a speed sensor, and basically it's snapped inside. I don't know if I have pieces around here. I'll let you guys know in a second. There it is, right here. See, this is one of the pieces that broke, that snapped inside, that I took off. So yeah, just be aware. Custom CNC is really, really important. You don't want to break your trans. All right, so yeah, that being said, this is my engine bay. This is not a stock car, so if you guys are new, it's full bolt on. Has PRL intake, custom cold air intake done by me. Has a PRL downpipe, front pipe, muffler delete, resonator delete, FX350 clutch masters lightweight flywheel, PRL intercooler, mission oil cash can over there. Basically everything you could do. This bolt on is on K200 as well. And then we're going to go inside and show you guys the pedal. So as you guys can see here, you see how the pedals basically all the way adjusted out. I don't know if you guys can see that really well, because I'm underneath the car right now, so it's not that much light. Hopefully you guys can see that. Camera can't really get in, the camera's too big. But yeah, that's how it's adjusted. It's adjusted all the way out. As you can see, the rod is really longer than the other one, and the clutch stop is off. You see it up there? I took it off so I could get the pedal all the way up. So yeah, make sure you guys do that. It's very, very important. Alright, so now that we have all that, and you know, basically on the list of what you need and what you're gonna need to basically put this upgraded clutch in your car if you want to go for more power like I am. Hold on, let me adjust the settings real quick, because shit, there we go. So basically, yeah, I'm just trying to help you guys out, because I know there's nobody on YouTube, there's nobody anywhere I tried that has done anything that I have done clutch wise. Like, everybody just does for looks. I'm not a looks person, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I like the car looking good, but I'd rather have my car going fast than looking good, you know what I'm saying? So I always go for bolt-ons first and all that before I start modding the outside. Like, now mind you, I do have mods on the outside, like the black grill, as you guys can see, you know, tires obviously, in the rear real quick. I don't know if you guys are new or not, I do have lowering springs on it, the rear, the trunk lid, the custom dual exhaust tips. You know, I got some exterior mods, but nothing crazy, and the inside is as well. I got the shift boot, you know what I'm saying, custom shift boot, shift knob, but nothing crazy like that, you know what I'm saying? So I'm more of a bolt-on mods, basically try to get as much power as I can out of it. So anyways, that being said, I hope this video helps all you guys that are trying to do clutch work on your car. Just so I can show you guys how hard the CMC is to install, what you're going to need to do real quick, because I did make a video on that. It's on YouTube, but it's basically behind this battery over here. It's all the way in the corner over there, hiding behind that wall. So yeah, you're going to need to take a few things out of the way, just to take the CMC out and all that. I have a video doing that. It's a link. I'll put the link in the description, so you guys can just learn how to do that yourself. Basically everything that I have done to this car is in my YouTube channel. So you just go on my YouTube videos, everything, basically from intake, downpipe, front pipe, taking the transmission off, how to take the transmission off, how to install the transmission on, how to install the flywheel, how to install the clutch, how how to install the CMC, how to, you know, everything that I have done to this car that I did, which I did everything, is on my YouTube channel. So you just check that out if you want to just learn how to do it yourself. You don't have to want to spend that labor money. Anyways, I hope this video helps you in any way, shape, or form. And yeah, just stick to more videos to come, because stick to me, because there's more videos to come. There's a lot of videos I plan on doing, like how to and all that, and driving the Accord and reactions, and we're gonna do dyno sooner or later. We're gonna go big turbo. So there's a lot coming to this car. Just you gotta stay with me and believe in me, like I believed in myself, like I believed in the Accord, and we're finally here with a freaking SI transmission. It's insane to say that I have an SI transmission on a Accord, because the reason is because it's not nothing crazy. It's just I'm the first to do it. This just feels crazy. When you're the first to do something, it just makes you even more motivated to continue on, and I can't wait. So right now, this is all I want to say to you guys. This is the end of the talking part of the video. In a few, I'm gonna take it for a ride so you guys can see how basically the SI trans in the Accord runs, and how my Accord runs with the bolt-ons and all that. So, and you can hear it too. So yeah, anyways, thanks you guys for watching. Thanks for sticking with me. Make sure you share this video on all social medias like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, everywhere you can. I don't even care, just share it so I could keep growing and continue to make videos for you guys, and just continue to enjoy myself with my car, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, thanks for watching. Enjoy the next clips. Show you guys just a quick preview of how the Accord is running, just so you guys can get a taste of what the next video is going to be. I'm gonna post a POV for you guys of driving the Accord. Don't know what view you guys are getting right now, so if it's a bad view, my bad. I'm using my camera right now, so might be a trash view, but at least you get to hear the car and experience me, the SI transmission. That's what I want you guys to see. I got the traction control half off right now. There's a way to fully turn it off. I'll have a separate video on that, but right now it's just half off, so my tires might spin. That's how much torque I have right now. So yeah, let this Mercedes go ahead of me a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Let him do his thing. Then we do a quick second gear pull. Mercedes ain't turning. Come on, Mercedes, you need to get out the way. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to show them a little preview what we're gonna have fun later doing POVs. Come on. Like I said, if you guys want to see more, just stay subscribed to the channel. I will have a video posted of me driving the car around. This is just for you to get a little sneak peek of how the car is driving. Alright, we almost got space. That's all y'all getting. That's all y'all getting. Until the next, yeah, stay tuned. Stay tuned for more. All right, that's all y'all getting. A little sneak peek right there. That's it. That's it. Stay tuned. All right.